Japchae is a dish Koreans love. It's colorful, pretty, and tastes great. The main ingredient in japchae is dangmyeon, also known as glass noodles. It's made by stir-frying various vegetables and meat together. You can always find japchae at Korean parties and family gatherings. It's a dish that's pleasing to the eye and delicious to eat. Japchae is more than just a simple dish. It represents traditional Korean cuisine. It has a long history and has evolved over centuries. Today, japchae is enjoyed not only in Korea but all over the world. Japchae originated in the royal kitchens. It was first made during the Joseon dynasty. Royal chefs created it to please the king. The king loved japchae's unique flavor and texture. At first, only nobles could eat it, but over time it became popular among common people. This was because it was easy to make using seasonal ingredients. Japchae was the perfect dish for special occasions and celebrations. Making japchae is like creating art. Each ingredient is prepared separately. Thinly sliced beef is marinated to give it a savory flavor. A variety of vegetables are thinly sliced and stir-fried to maintain a crisp texture. The heart of japchae is the dangmyeon, or glass noodles. The noodles are soaked in water and then stir-fried. A delicious sauce brings all the flavors together. The sauce is made with soy sauce, sesame oil, and sugar. Ingredients: 200 g glass noodles, dangmyeon, 170 g beef sirloin, thinly sliced, 1 tsp soy sauce *, 1 tc sugar, 1/2 tsp minced garlic * 1/4 tsp black pepper, 2 tbsp vegetable oil * 1 onion, thinly sliced, 1 cup shiitake mushrooms, stems removed and thinly sliced, 1 cup carrots, julienned, 1 cup spinach, washed, 2 eggs, separated, 2 tbsp sesame seeds, * salt to taste. Instructions: 1. Soak the glass noodles in cold water for 30 minutes. 1. Marinate the beef with soy sauce, sugar, garlic, and pepper for 15 minutes. 1. Heat 1 tbsp of vegetable oil in a pan and stir-fry the beef until cooked. Set aside. 1. In the same pan, add the remaining oil and stir-fry the onions, mushrooms, and carrots. 1. Blanch the spinach in boiling water for 1 minute, then rinse with cold water and squeeze out excess water. 1. Cook the egg whites and yolks separately into thin omelettes, then slice them into thin strips. 1. Boil the noodles for 5-7 minutes. Drain and rinse with cold water. 1. In a large bowl, combine the noodles, beef, vegetables, and sauce. 1. Garnish with egg strips and sesame seeds. Japchae is best served immediately. You can enjoy it warm or at room temperature. The savory, sweet, and colorful japchae truly represents the best of Korean cuisine. Enjoy!